Hello, I'm Joe, and today we're going to go over different types of wiper blades and what seasons to use them and how to replace them. You got your summer blade here, which doesn't have a rubber coating like the winter does. This, perfect for winter because it's got this rubber coating that works really good to keep these snow and ice out of all these moving joints in here. There's also this style that's flexible. It's great for summer, kind of spotty in the winter because snow likes to bend these and break them. They work great in summer. But summer, winter, not great in winter. To know what size you need, you can either look up online or before you go into the store, take your blade off. Be careful not to slap it against the windshield because that can crack it. And go in and just match up to what they have on the shelf. Now we'll go over on how to change it. Once you're up here, you're going to pull the wiper arm back towards you. There's this little clip here. Push that in and push the blade towards the windshield. Slide down the arm. To make sure this doesn't slap against glass, break. Again, that clip's right here. You're going to push like that to unlock the tang there. You can toss your old one down, grab your new one, make sure that's facing the correct way, line up in the groove, and pull. Just give it a little wiggle, make sure it stays on. That's it. Do the same with the other side. Make sure it doesn't slide. You should hear it click in place once locked in. And that's that. Reasons for having to do this is in the winter time, the ice and snow can tear up the blade portion or break the blade, and you essentially have to replace it in order to have a wiper again. Again, you can buy wiper blades pretty much any store or truck stop. Just make sure you get the right size, otherwise it may not clear the windshield correctly. All right, thank you.